Hello! In this video I will show you how to install a Chat GPT widget on Honor 200 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and click on this button to skip introduction. Now click not now and click on open permissions. Now click on AI assistant and click here to allow this app to draw over other apps, and you can click back and click back again, and now you can click start. And as you can see, here is my Chat GPT widget, and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.